What's up, you beautiful bastards? Thought I'd share something that I've been working on for the last month or so. So yeah, this thing doesn't matter if you copy that code. I'll just make another one. Oh, this is interesting. It's not showing up the skills. But if you don't know what skills are, because it's this called Skill Guardian, I don't know if that name's going to hold or not, but skills are basically files that a large language model would use, and it has, you know, certain things defined in it. So it might be attached to agent, and, you know, the skills might define what it can do and all the rest of it. However, like with tools like OpenClaw, which basically just can run amok on your computer and have access to, you know, pretty much everything, there is a risk that skills, you can inadvertently import malicious skills. So skills that use like the do anything. Yeah, I mean, there's different prompt injection patterns, but one of them is, you know, like ignore all previous instructions and do blah, 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 whatever. There's a whole bunch of those. So I thought, you know, create something to scan these skills and determine whether they're safe to use or not. And it's not just limited to, so usually you would define skills with like markdown or something like that, but you can actually define them with Python and stuff like that. So you see this one picks up that the pickle module can execute arbitrary code during deserialization. So this means that it could run pretty much any code that the attacker wants. And it can achieve RC remote code execution. This has a risk score of 90 out of 100. I haven't really fine-tuned the risk scoring and stuff like that, but it's still a lot better than what it was in the initial stages. So if we open this one, so you can't see the dialog box that popped up, but I will import the basic injection prompt for the do anything. So if we upload that one, and then it comes here. So it's get a risk score of 85, right? But it splits it into a couple of things. So the critical one is the jailbreak persona assignment. So, you know, you are now Dan, so do anything now. You are freed from blah, blah, blah. The rest of it doesn't really matter. But so it attempts to assign a jailbreak and persona. So, you know, large language models have certain limitations and stuff to try and keep people safe and all the rest of it. Not that I necessarily believe that that's a problem, but anyway. And then it also has a semantic match. So it will match similar prompt patterns that are based on common enumerations. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's coming along quite well. There's still a lot that needs to be done, and there's a lot of fine tuning and stuff that I need to do with it. Yeah, and I mean, like, yeah, just like for this one, so it comes as critical and medium, two separate findings. So the semantic one is a semantic match. So the direct instruction override, there's a semantic match of poisoned rag retrieval result injection. So the semantic similarity is 0.61 with a low confidence to know an injection pattern, blah, blah, blah. And the nearest phrase is document title, blah, 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 blah. You are now, you know, you are now Dan. So this actually relates to the do anything now prompt injection pattern as well. So, you know, it's getting pretty cool. The reports are actually working now, but I mean, that's just literally just a list of stuff. I mean, there's still a lot of stuff to do, but yeah, it's actually coming along goodly.